Check this out, guys. This is a 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. This car was factory ordered in triple white. White exterior, white interior, white top. We still have the original sales invoice and window sticker from when it was bought new. Very, very nice example here. A lot of originality to this car. Check out that interior. Super, super stunning. Has a new set of hand-cooked tires on it. Drive safely on. So I'm gonna hop in and show you what it's all about here. Fires up nice and easy. Does have an air conditioning unit, however it does not blow cold. Got your regular fan there.
Got to first without a throw. Foul ball
Original
off
radio. AM. No horn. Doors closed perfect. Check out this engine bay. It's got a lot of originality under here. This is a C-Code 289 two-barrel engine. You got power steering. Air conditioning unit is there, but we don't believe it operates. You have a new master cylinder and a lot of new brake work as a total brake overhaul all the way around. So a completely new braking system. Paint body overall is in very good shape. Super, super quiet and smooth running engine. Can hardly hear it when it's idling. That's how these 289 C-Codes were when they were new. Super smooth, reliable power. So I'm gonna put the top up so you can check that out too. Not going to clamp the front just for the purpose of this video, but white top, triple white factory car, very cool. Definitely not a color combo you come across very often. Top's in excellent shape. So if you're interested in this factory triple white convertible, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Got 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. Has excellent red oxide primer underneath. Be sure to take a look at that. If you're interested in the asking price or would like to learn more, please go to our website. The link will be in the description. Feel free to give us a call anytime. Thanks for watching.